Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add Spotify in OBS. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application in case you have not to it right now. Now I'm simply gonna look at how to add Spotify in OBS. Initially what I'm gonna do is simply click on the add sources button right here. I'm gonna click on it. Well, there are two ways. You can only capture the audio from Spotify, else you can capture the whole window. If you want to capture the audio, click on Application Audio Capture, else if you want to capture the video, click on Window Capture. I'm gonna click on it right now. And from here, I'm gonna rename it to Spotify as it will make it easy. I have renamed it. Now I'm just gonna hit on OK. Now what I'm gonna do is simply select the window corresponding to Spotify. I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, this right here is Spotify. I'm gonna select it and hit on OK. Well guys, as you can see, Spotify has been added. You can simply reposition it from right here. But right now, I just want to crop it. Simply hit on the Alt button and crop it however you wish. As you can see, it's being cropped. And this is it guys. I'm gonna play Spotify right now. This is it guys. This is how we add Spotify to OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.